So how you like this video? It's very fun, and then I like that place. Of course, you should have to visit in that place. So this time, please, how you like this video? Please drop the comment below, and I gotta go now. So see you in the next. Hey guys, so you can see here that is mountain area from here. So that is quite visible. That Korsian and Merrick, Darjeeling district. That is. So you can find here this area. That अभी तो खेती का टाइम चल रहा है यहाँ पे because of this monsoon season here. Because of monsoon, you can obviously where there is monsoon, then there is a tea garden obviously. So guys, tea garden आपको ज़्यादा देखने मिलेगा यहाँ पे. और आपको अगर if you want video shooting and photo shoot, or you want to just visit for that picnic or otherwise others purpose, so you can visit obviously in here. So this is a good place, I hope so. Because the weather is not so hot, not so cold, so that is the medium. So here every house also very different sizes में जो एक जगह में नहीं है, वो दूसरा मतलब थोड़ा दूर दूर में रहता है, इसलिए थोड़ा एनिमल का प्रॉब्लम होता है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि धान ज़्यादा you will find here the rice field, so that is why the animal used to this is आकर वो खा जाते हैं मतलब शाम को रात को. So that is and then river across here that the छोटा छोटा river जो है यहाँ पे ज़्यादा रहता है यहाँ पे. और मतलब ये क्रॉस करके अगर अंदर का रास्ता जाना है तो आपको क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा obviously, but not that much big, but I don't know, but in that maybe in the monsoon seasons it may be. And the road, that inside the village you find this kind of road obviously. So ये जो road है थोड़ा कच्चा रहता है यहाँ पे, अंदर का रास्ता जो है. So it's not a town, that it used to that inside, I mean Jhapa district, not in that main highway only that they construct good road, but highway, but now inside, so you have to face this kind of road. If you have vehicle here, the people must use these vehicles to drive the vehicles. So here this field everywhere, surrounding, and then the season also very good now, it's raining sometime, and then the trees around here like same like Assam, this area, I'm missing Assam when I was here. So this is quite little bit, but little hot in Assam. And then I visit some zoo, animal zoo, like a national animal, that I told you before also that ये जंगल एरिया है. सो यहाँ पे बहुत तरह का एनिमल्स मिला जाता है यहाँ पे. सो वो सब एनिमल को प्रोटेक्शन करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट एक ऐसा जू बनाया गया है यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे आपको मतलब बहुत तरह का you will find different kind of animals here, like rabbits, another one, and then this one is different, with the python animals, I mean reptiles and others, like many you will find in this zoo. So that is inside that jungle area. So आपको जंगल क्रॉस होके जाना पड़ेगा अगर इसको देखना है तो. You can see that ostrich and that deer, ये जंगल से मिला गया है. जंगल से जो होता है तो उसको लेके यहाँ पे रखा जाता है. They protect them, from others endangered like. So after that I came here to that some park here, small park you'll find inside that विलेज के अंदर में, मतलब थोड़ा आगे जाने से मतलब वहाँ पे ज़्यादा विलेज मैंने क्लिक किया है. तो अच्छा डिज़ाइन वहाँ पे डिज़ाइन देखने मिला बहुत सा. एंड देन अनदर वन आई केम हियर द जंगल साइड, दैट पार्क, दिस वन आल्सो लिट द टाउन एरिया, यू हैव टू क्रॉस दैट जंगल ओनली. सो हियर बिकॉज दैट हिली एरिया आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर आल्सो दैट झापा डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज फुल ऑफ जंगल अपर साइड. एंड मैंने जब देखा था वहाँ पे आपको तो ये रिवर था वो. Just I show you that before one that rivers, when you see from the upstairs you'll find like this. I visit some some this one also, restaurant also. So I find have this people here from Jhapa, they used to like this kind of food here mostly. I mean that momo and then momo soup. So यहाँ पे ज़्यादा यहाँ का जो है लोग पसंद करते हैं इसको खाने में. So मुझे भी बहुत पसंद लगा खा के. So for this time only this much guys. मैं next time में अगर आगे वीडियो लेके आऊँगा. So this time thank you.